Ready to move your USDT from Binance to Goteo? Let's make it happen in a few easy steps. First, on your Goteo app, tap on the wallet icon, then select Deposit. Choose USDT from the list of coins. Now, very carefully select the network you want to use. Turk20 is often preferred for lower fees, but ensure Binance supports the same network. Double check this. Tap on your chosen network to reveal the deposit address. Tap the Copy Address button to copy your unique Goteo USDT deposit address to your clipboard. Be certain you copy the entire address. Now switch over to your Binance app. Go to your wallet, find USDT, and select Withdraw. Paste the Goteo address you just copied into the recipient address field. Again, very important, select the exact same network that you chose on Goteo. Turk20, ERC20, or whichever you picked. Binance will show you the associated network fee. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, review all the details, especially the address and network, and then confirm your withdrawal on Binance. You may need to complete security verification steps. Once confirmed, the transfer is initiated. Transfer times vary depending on the network congestion, so be patient, and that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Goteo.